Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install Netflix on your Mac. Just a quick heads up. Currently, Netflix hasn't developed an official app on the App Store specifically for Mac devices, whether you're using a MacBook, iMac, or Mac Studio. If you try searching for the keyword Netflix on the App Store, you won't see any results for the app. Or if you search on Google, you might see a result, but that's actually only compatible with iPhone, iPad, and Apple TV. So, right now, the only workaround to get Netflix on your Mac is to go to the Netflix homepage using the Chrome browser. Next, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Then, go to the menu that says Cast, Save, and Share. From there, select the option Install Page as App. At this point, you can rename it if you want. Then, go ahead and hit Install. Now you have a Netflix app installed inside the Chrome Apps folder. To find it, the path is in your User Applications folder, then go into Chrome Apps and you'll see Netflix right there. From here, you can just drag and drop the Netflix icon down to your dock. Now, you can launch Netflix just like a native app. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.